Guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Halloween candy available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 4 we have Sweetsome Halloween Candy. You can enjoy this monstrously delicious variety assortment candy bag featuring candy favorites. At number 3 we have Needzo Halloween Candy. You can express your Peepsonality with Peeps-inspired desserts, recipes, crafts, dioramas and even fashion. This spooky ghost, scary cats, monsters, sugar skulls and perfect pumpkins will thrill your little ghouls and goblins this Halloween. At number 2 we have Double Bubble Halloween Candy. This Halloween combo bubble gum pack of 2 12-ounces bags. This gum flavors include slime balls, pumpkin seedlings, Count Dracula and horror eyes. At number 1 we have Mars Chocolate Halloween Candy. Be ready for your Halloween parties and neighborhood trick-or-treaters with this delicious assortment of chocolate Halloween candy. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Halloween candy for your need.